Hello guys, and welcome back to another Elliot Wave stock market update. First of all, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you commenting and liking the video. I do want to let you know that there are improvements coming to this stream. In the next couple weeks or so, you're going to see improvement to the audio, improvement to some of the graphics. So I'm working on that to try to make this a better viewing experience for y'all. But anyways, let's get into the market analysis. So let's take a look back at the price action for the last month. If we zoom in here, you will see a month ago we had an ABC correction. Here was A, B, C. We found buyers at the end of C, which started our impulse up. This was our wave 1 up. This was our impulse up out of that correction. Then we had a long and complex wave 2 correction over multiple weeks that finally resolved itself down here at this 12-hour demand zone. It came back to this area that we broke out of, that price exploded out of, and then that's where we saw another breakout in price from there. That breakout was confirmed by the break of this down trend line right here. We broke out, retested, and now we're on our way up. So this looks like the start of another impulse up. And then to get our target, we're going to use our Fibonacci extension. So to see our target, we start at wave 1, go up to the top of wave 2, come down to the start of wave 3, and then the rule with Elliott waves is that wave 3 should end somewhere between the 127.2 to 161.8 extension. Okay, so somewhere up here is where this wave should end. Now if you take a look, this gold line is here for a reason, because if you come out, zoom out and take a look, that gold line is the gap fill for this huge drop that started the correction back in February. So our Elliott wave extension is telling us that price is going to get up here. It doesn't know exactly where, but we know, because we know that the gap fill is up here, that it's probably going to end right here at about 33.28. So we went ahead and bought, or I went ahead and bought at the breakout of this downtrend, and I'm going to hold it. I'm going to hold my calls up until we get to probably 3,300 or so, just to be safe. And then if we get here and we kind of hold right here and chop around and it looks kind of toppy, that might be when I sell some calls or buy some puts or something of that sort. But in my opinion, the market will go up until it gets to here, 33.21, when we run into resistance. Okay, that is my plan for the next few weeks. So now if you think about it, a rejection right here would make sense if you think about it from a fundamental standpoint. Fundamental meaning not looking at charts and stuff, but actual news and sentiment in the market. Just looking at things from that point. Rejecting here would make sense, because if we get a big breakout here and a run up here pretty quickly over the next few weeks, what are people going to start to say when we get up here somewhere? They're going to start chanting, hey, we're going back to all-time highs, everything's looking great. And once sentiment changes, once the majority gets something in their mind, is when the market tries to trick us. So I could see us coming back up here, everyone getting excited, and then just a rejection. For eventually we do break out, but not as quickly or as intense as everybody thinks. So be forewarned. Once everybody gets super excited and then all that, the market only goes up crap gets ramped up again, then and we're hanging out about this area, that's when you should try to take profits and protect your money. As far as individual stocks, there's nothing I'm looking at individually right now. I'm very focused on the S&P, the overall index. I will have my side eye. I'll be looking at some stocks out of the corner of my eye here. I'm going to be looking at American Airlines and all the airline stocks. I want to see if American Airlines and the rest of them can hold their 50-day moving average and take off from there. I'm also going to be continuing to look at Netflix. I want to see if Netflix is done or Netflix says higher to go, because again, we will see a major correction in Netflix. It's coming. It is coming, so hold on tight. And then Shopify. If you remember a couple weeks ago when price was all the way down here, somewhere back here, I said I put a $1,200 price target on Shopify. Well, we are well on our way to $1,200. I want to see if Shopify can get all the way there, or is it going to die or what? But I don't have any plays in those individual stocks, just kind of watching from afar. So that is my plan with the overall index. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to share this with a friend. I want this channel to grow. I'm trying to get it to 1,000 subscribers. That is my goal. So if you can help me with that, I would greatly appreciate it. But other than that, appreciate you guys for listening. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.